Hello friend, how are you? Today we will learn some new words meaning with usage. So first word menu mean list of food in a restaurant. Usage there is menu on the table at the restaurant. You can order food. Word newspaper article mean a topic and a newspaper. Usage I read a newspaper article about life in the newspaper. Word race mean contest, match, competition. Usage let's watch a swimming race today at 5 a.m.